It's a different cooking show. It's a different cooking show.
Okay, everybody, so it's the night before Thanksgiving. We have a few things going on in here. Made turkey broth, thawing out. I planned on making homemade cranberry sauce this year, but that didn't happen. We're making half and half. Cutting celery for the dressing. String beans here. I just went through each of those one by one and trimmed. Now I'm letting them sit in water until my smoked turkey wing boils for about an hour.
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to all the families out there. To my family. To your family. To my wife's family. We didn't get together this year. It's kind of crazy. Everybody's separated. You know what I'm talking about? Shout out to my family in Louisiana. Hopefully you guys watch this.
Yeah, and it's so different this year. We didn't even make a whole turkey. We made turkey parts this year. That's how different it is for us.
So, yeah, that's what's up. We ain't going to hold y'all. We going to get to this. Y'all go ahead and get to what y'all getting to. You know what I'm talking about? But just know, happy Thanksgiving to all the families. Y'all know me. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know the wifey. Y'all know what it is. Happy Thanksgiving.
Looking kind of nice if you ask me. Yeah, that's looking real nice, and we can
Happy Turkey Day, happy Pagan Day.
I guess a lot of people had the same idea. Okay. Oh, Lord. Next on the list, a little mac and cheese. We're not making a lot. I've been grating cheese. It's not as bad as it seems. So since there's only 2 of us here, I think I'm gonna make a super small dish of macaroni and cheese. Little mac and cheese. Big old plates. We have turkey, we have candied yams, green beans, dressing, mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese. Big, giant Thanksgiving plates.
Did y'all see the plate? Your boy's getting it in, no doubt. Smile on my face. What you talking about? Wait a minute.
Okay, because I was worried about the dressing. Have you tasted it yet?
Mm-hmm.
I was worried about that dressing.